Hi and welcome to jayhudgins.com Tech Tips channel, where I upload all kinds of very helpful networking, telecom, and VoIP tutorials to help you in your business or your hobby. If you like what you see here today and you find these tutorials helpful, please subscribe and click that bell because I'm constantly uploading very helpful content for the general public to use. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in and program a Mikrotik 750 R2 router. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company that specializes in almost everything telecom. This company is US Tech. For years, US Tech has been an industry leader in telephone systems, SIP protocol gateways, voice over IP, and UC client. US Tech has a reputation of giving over-the-top tech support, and right now US Tech is giving away free Yealing VoIP phones for every seat that you sign up for. They can even pre-program a system and have it shipped right away while they stay on standby for any reasonable assistance necessary. Is your phone bill too high? Let them drastically reduce your monthly bill using SIP protocol. Just click on the link in the description below to get a free quote and even a callback if needed. That's US Tech, your one-stop shop for everything telecom. They do it all for you. Yeah, the first thing you want to do is download the software for the Mikrotik on your computer, and you're going to go to mikrotik.com/download. It'll look like this page here, and you're going to click on Winbox. Click on that right there, and it'll download right to your computer. And since I already have the software already loaded on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. Okay, and the app will look like this. It'll say Winbox. Double click on that. You're going to go to Neighbors, and this IP address will pop up. 192.168.88.1 is the gateway for the router itself. When you log in for the first time, the username will be admin, and there will be no password. So let's go ahead and click Connect. Alright, the first thing you can do is check for updates. You want to check for an update here, click on that, and installed version, latest version. So we are up to date on our software. If you weren't, if all you have to do is check for updates, and then it would just give you another button here, and you would just say install and reboot. That's all you need to do. You can set up your router statically or automatic the way it is right now. I don't have a static IP address at my house, so I'm gonna just use it today as an automatic mode. But it is good to set it up statically so you can get remote login. It does have a VPN feature too as well. You can VPN to it if you'd like, but I like to set it up statically so I can log in with that static IP address and do port forwarding to my other devices that I have at the location, such as PBX systems, VoIP phones, anything you want you can port forward on this device, which I'll show you in another video. But basically you're going to want to go in and set a password. So you're going to go to System, you're going to go down to Password, and the old password, there was none, so we're going to set a password now. And we're going to hit change. And that's all you need to do for that. Oh, and by the way, the reason I use this device is it's so reasonably priced. It is a very robust router that can do a lot of things, but for a fraction of the cost of the more expensive routers. So if you would like to buy one of these routers, just click the link in the description below and you can go ahead and purchase one. They're very reasonably priced. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Thanks, guys.